Maayong hapon mga dong mga day, naanagid mi din sa Pilipinas. Alex is just there in the background. And yeah, for this trip, we're gonna be in Siargao for the week. But before we go ahead with this vlog, let me just take you on that roller coaster that we had to go through at the airport yesterday. About 1 hour later, and we landed back in Manila instead of Siargao. So I don't know what's gonna happen today. Will we even make it? So I believe we are getting onto that plane right next to ours. So that one. Our plane before, our new plane now. Day one in Siargao, and we're about to head out of our accommodation. We're staying at Arca Hayahai for the week here in Siargao. So yeah, today is just gonna be a chill day. We already went out to breakfast to get some coffee, so subscribe to Alex's to see that. But now we're gonna go on a bit of an adventure, just a chill one, and we're gonna make our way to Pacifica beach. And we'll stop at a few spots on the way so we can see a bit of Siargao. But yeah, there's heaps to explore, but today we'll take it a little bit slow. Let's go. So this is our bike for the week. Apparently it's new, hey?
It's new.
Yeah.
And we have helmets.
For our first stop of the day, we're at the palm tree lookout or view deck or something like that, right? And yeah, it's kind of crazy to see how much has changed, obviously because of the typhoon. But it's still breathtaking having, you know, a sea of palm trees, just, you know, extending all the way as the eye can see. What do you think?
It's actually still so beautiful, even though it's a little bit, what do you call that? What do you call that? No,
Damaged?
Damaged, there you go. I was gonna say disaster. So it's still actually really beautiful, even though it's a little bit damaged. Obviously, it's not as fluffy as how coconut trees are, but I've never seen anything like it anywhere else. So still so beautiful to come check out the top deck.
It is still quite breathtaking. Kind of sad how they look like right now compared to when we visited it almost 4 years ago. But yeah, such an awesome spot. Definitely a classic spot in Siargao. If you're heading anywhere further up north, kind of, just quickly stop at this spot, take a breather, take a look at the view, and yeah, we'll head on to the next area. We are now at Pacifica Beach Resort. And we brought a dog with us. No, we didn't. Where is it? This place has changed so much, guys. There used to be a ton of palm trees, but it's kind of damage gets a typhoon at that, so it is kind of sad. It's still looking pristine, as you can see. Very picturesque. Philippines always delivers. And for today, we're just gonna be chilling at this beach and recovering from a crazy long 2 days of travel, you know, to get to Siargao, Philippines. So now we'll find a good spot to put our things down, and yeah, we'll probably go in the beach.
In the back of the car, we at the party when you took me by the hand in front of the prom king, like they hardly know my name or who I am. Leaving me so long, walk up alone till you don't know where to go. Running in circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't be just. You're something special, but damn, it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't be just. You hit my name.
One of my favorite things about going to Pacifica Beach is that how empty it is. Like there's literally no one here because it takes 1 hour to get to this beach by scooter from General Luna. General Luna? Someone correct me please. But yeah, layo lang kaayo ba for most people, so this gusto mata din eh. But there are quite a bit of surfers. They recommend beginners to come here, so I definitely want to try that out. Like surfing, I definitely want to try out surfing in this trip. I haven't done it in almost 4 years when I went to Bali, so that's something I want to get back into. Alex and I went into the ocean and just had such a relaxing time. We're really just chilling, guys, honestly. I don't know what our plans are after this spot. We might just head back home, might chill, but yeah, we're in no rush at all. There's something about Siargao. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's some like voodoo magic or something, but you just feel so at peace here, not in a rush. You just want to take your time and really be present, and I love that.
And you begged me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line. I probably should have stayed away, but I came when you say one more time. In the back of the car, we at the party when you took me by the hand in front of the prom king, like you had me dominate.
I was just telling Alex how much nicer it is this time around because 4 years ago when we were at Pacifica Beach, the current was so strong. So we would stay put in one area, right? Not even swim, and it would push us along the beach. So yeah, how was your experience here?
It was really nice. I
Yeah?
actually love the ocean here. Like
Yeah.
it's so chill and like it's so quiet here at Pacifica Beach. And I love how the surf is here, so we can just watch them as well.
Yeah, I was just
really
telling the
chill.
vlog that we should definitely do surfing
yeah.
on this trip.
Yeah, we will.
I think maybe in a couple of days time we'll be surfing because they do surf lessons and you can do it with like other people, so I think that'll be so fun. So it's about 4 p.m. now. The sun is starting to set and we still have an hour to get back to General Luna. So that's what we're about to do. We're gonna pack up, go to a scooter, and we'll take you to dinner tonight. So we just stopped at the side of the road because Alex is really, well, I'm pretty hungry too. We just need some sugar, so we found like a Panda Salad place. So makaon sa aming mga snacks before we make the long journey back to our resort.
Hi vlog. Guys.
Ate, is that Spanish ba yan?
No, it's cheese bread.
Oh, cheese bread. Oh,
Cheese bread. I think I like this one.
isa lang.
Kwakog duha, ate.
Ensalada bagong luto.
Oh, sige. Kwakog duha na, ate. Tagpila isa? Ha? 5. Oh, that's good. What about you? What do you want?
Ate, dalawa pong cheese bread.
Maybe we can try the other ones.
Para sir,
Huh?
sa kanila sila ensalada.
Oh, any more? I might have food and like sugar in my mouth, but I'm so hungry. I need the sugar. Yeah, I'm really sweaty. Much needed right now. Here's Alex as well, devouring her food. We got back to Arca Hayai Hotel or Resort, and we just finished taking a shower. We're gonna head out and get a massage this time because we're supposed to do it last night, but we ended up having dinner with the crew. So we'll get a massage first, then we'll go out to dinner. Just waiting on Alex right now. So we're here at the massage spot. Hopefully they'll be available for tonight. Let's head in. Here's the setup. So happy there's aircon. And here's Alex.
20 minutes later.
Alright, how do you feel after that?
That was so good. I had so much knot in my back.
Yeah, same. It's always the upper back. But what gets me is like Ate stretch me like diagonally, I guess. Like one leg over the other, push my shoulder back, and my back cracked like twice. It felt so
she
good.
did that to me too.
Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna grab dinner, I think just across the road, so let's go. So we're here at this restaurant, barbecue area just across where we got the massage, and the prices look really good, so let's take a look at what we'll have for dinner.
Beef steak.
Ang beef steak is hindi na po available.
Yeah? Where do you want to go? Maybe here, left?
Here. So we got pork sisig, if you can see.
Yeah. I already filmed you.
And we have cheese hot dog, which I love. We're eating a lot of pork tonight, but we're gonna devour this.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna be ending today's vlog. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button because it really does help out tiny channels like mine. And don't forget to subscribe to Alex because she vlogged some parts that I didn't show you. But yeah guys, I hope to see you in the next video.
In the
Bye.
back of the car, we at the party.